My mouth is literally on fire with that plumping lip gloss. Oh my god.
She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade. I make makeup videos, challenges and all fun things like that. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. But let's just go ahead and get on with the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with prepping the skin. I'm just taking the vitamin C serum again. I've absolutely been loving this under my makeup. So I'm just going to take a few drops of that. I'm just going to put my hair to the back. And then I just take what's left over and rub this on my forehead. Just like so. So I'm just going in with the Makeup Revolution Super Dewy Skin Elixir. And this just gives you like a really natural looking glow. So I'm basically just rubbing this all over my cheek area. And then going over the centre of the forehead. Basically where naturally you would shine. So yeah, as you can see, I've already applied my brow products. I just used the Anastasia brow powder duo, I think this is called. So I just went ahead and went in with that. Now I'm just going in with the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. In the photo that I'm trying to recreate of Ariana's, her skin looks pretty matte from what I could see. So I'm just going to go with a matte, not super matte, but like a natural coverage foundation brush. And we're just going to start applying. Make sure to bring it down the neck because I'm looking a little pale right now. So if we bring it down the neck a little bit and then just bronze up the chest area. Just to help add a little bit of colour. I thought I would recreate Ariana's makeup that she wore to her r.e.m.beauty event thing. Because her skin and her makeup just look absolutely flawless. And since I can't get my hands on any products yet, I thought why not recreate a makeup look. Okay guys, so now that the foundation is blended, I'm just going to go in with some cream products next, and then I'm going to do the concealer first. Let's do that first. So I'm going in with the Milani, my favourite concealer probably ever. This and the Makeup Revolution one. So I'm just applying this on my usual places. I keep forgetting not to cover the camera with my mirror. So I'm just going in with this on my nose. The usual places that I always do pretty much. Just to add some brightness. So I'm just taking a beauty sponge. I fell back in love with using beauty sponges again. Yeah. She's a little grubby, but I did wash her. But you know how sometimes when you wash beauty sponges, they just never seem to get super clean again. Like there's always got to be some sort of staining. Anyway, I'm just blending this in. I'm just going in with the Madebymitchell blush, bronze and caramel chisel. I actually did a review on this on my channel, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll have it in the iCard. I don't know what side it's at, but yeah. Also just taking it on the forehead. I hope you guys cannot hear my belly rumbling. I'm just taking that on the sponge. I'll probably go over with the other sponge like at the end, just to make sure everything's seamless. But you guys know I'm obsessed with this contour from Mitchell. Super blendable, so this was an easy option to pick for contour today. So guys, I'm just going in with the Makeup Revolution Superdry Liquid Blush in the shade You Had Me at First Blush. And I'm just going to put some of this on my cheeks. You don't need a lot of this because it's super pigmented, so I'm just putting a little bit. Well, a little bit for me anyway. It's probably a lot to some people. And I'm just going to take my sponge and we can blend this. I'm actually taking it quite high up on the cheekbones just to help give that lifted effect. And yeah, just like so. Blend, 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 blend. Does anybody else feel the need to just make like songs as they do the makeup? It's the same as well when I do my eyebrows. It just makes me think of I can't speak today. It just makes me think of Manny MUA when he comes back and he has his brows all done and he's like, back in the brows I filled, back in the brows I filled. I'm so cringe, but that's what Manny does as well. So I'm sure he feels the exact same way when he does it. But anytime I do my brows and I say, that's me back with my brows filled, that's what goes on in my head when I'm filming for you guys. So yeah. Now every time when I say that, you guys are going to think that as well. So you're welcome. So I'm just going to mix some powder. Let me know if you guys enjoy when I tell you guys the products that I'm using as I use it, or if you would prefer if I just link them in the description. Because I never know what you guys like, so just let me know in the comments if you would prefer me to show and tell you every product as I use it, or just link them. Whatever's easier for you guys, let me know. Ugh. Does anybody else hate when they leak something in their drawer and it, I think it's setting spray that's leaked in my drawer. And now all my products feel, ugh. Does anybody else get that, or is it just me? I don't know how it could have leaked as well, like, I don't know. But now my drawer looks like a mess because it is all watery with setting spray. So I'm just bronzing the forehead and the cheekbones just lightly. I don't want to go too crazy because we want it just to look kind of natural. So in the look on Ariana's Instagram from the photo, it looks like she's just got a wash of colour on the eye. So I'm just going to go in with a like brownie pink colour. So I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Deadly Desire palette, which was part of their Halloween collection, I believe. These are hard to open, as you can see. So I'm just going to mix Entice and Wrath in these shades here. So I'm just bringing this all on the lid as well. Just like so. Nothing too crazy. Okay guys, so I'm just taking some water activated eyeliner from Matte Lashes and I'm taking some setting spray. I just feel like setting spray works better, but you can use it with just water. But I prefer setting spray. And we're just going to do some basic eyeliner. So yeah. Basically what I do is I just stamp the wand on my lash line. I cannot believe I just did that. The good thing is it's water activated, so you just need to just get a little bit of water and it takes it off. And then I'm just going to put some eyeshadow back on there. I think that's the first time in like forever that I've done a wing and not messed it up on camera. So as you can see, I finished the other eye off camera. I got them as even as I could possibly get them. But now we are going in with the water activated eyeliner from Matte Lashes again in the shade White. So I'm just going to use the dot method and sketch out a few dots just so we know where we're going with this eyeliner. So she goes to about the centre of her eye. And then it's kind of like a rounded shape. And then when it gets to the edge of the eyeliner, it becomes like a little point. So I'm just going to create that little point. just like that, and then we're going to do a little point joining just towards the eyeliner, as you guys will see. Just like that. So that is as even as I can get the graphic eyeliner as well. I hope you guys could see the tutorial okay. But yeah, I'm just going in with my mascara now and just coating the eyelashes. I'm just going to apply some lash glue to the lash band. Also, a tip for you guys, I've been using this tip for literally years. But basically what I do is I take the eyelash glue brush and I just put 3 dots where the beginning of the lash starts, the middle and the end. So when it comes to applying the eyelash, it's already tacky and it's easy to apply. So if you guys try that tip out, let me know in the comments because it's a great tip. I'm going to show you guys what I do. So I just take it and place a dot right in the inner corner, as you can see. Then I take a bit for the centre, and then we also do a bit at the end. Just like so. I'm making sure to place the centre down first, and then we attach the outer corner, and then the inner corner. Like, how easy was that eyelash application? You guys need to try that trick out. Okay guys, so as you can see, the eyelashes are applied. I'm now just going to go in with the Morphe Mini lipstick because in this photo it looks like Ariana has a like pinky kind of lip. So I'm just going to use this. I've not used pink on my lips in years, so I don't know what this will look like. I don't know if you guys know about this palette, but I recently got this from Pixie, and honestly these lip colours are insane. It's actually a rouge palette, so you can use it on your face as well. So if you like that colour combo kind of vibe, that is definitely something that this palette can do. So I'm taking this shade and I'm just going to apply that on the lips. I'm going to take a little brush. So just applying this. I'm now going to go in with the Wonder Kiss Plumping Lip Gloss, which looks like this. I've had this for ages. This is going to start to tingle. I forgot how tingly this gets. Oh my god. Okay, so that is the lips applied. My mouth is literally on fire with that plumping lip gloss. Oh my god. I cannot believe I just forgot to put on some powder blush. What is wrong with me? So I'm just taking one of my faves, Dare to Be Different blush. Just going to smile and lightly pat that. I'm just going to lightly dust this because I don't think Ariana has like a super crazy highlight going on, but just enough so we can shine. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I'm honestly feeling myself. Like, this pink lip is a moment. I feel like mine is a little bit lighter than hers, but that's as close as I could get it from what I have in my collection. But I definitely want to pick up that lip that she sells because I feel like that's the one she wore on the event. It would only make sense. But yeah guys, that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you recreate it and tag me on socials or have them popped up throughout the video or at the end. I don't know. Editing me will know. But yeah guys, that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.